Let me welcome you to today's episode. 650cc bike, 6 positions. Hi guys, this is RRR Refuel Ride Race channel, and today we have a special opportunity to meet this beauty. This is a Tomos APN 4. It means a vintage beauty. We will do a walk around and show you some details. Stay with me. This model was produced early in 73 also, but strictly this one is from 74. So like you see, it is ready to be registered. APN 4 moped, 50cc, and it has some nice parts that I want to show you. You see there is a lot of chrome, so it was not, and still it's not, a cheap bike according to chrome. So here you see a lot of chrome parts, and also on the tank and the steering. So everything is stock except for the steering and the levers, as you see on the left and on the right side. So this model was without a tacho, so here it is a kind of a plastic to cover this hole. The engine, it's 2.5 horsepower, and it has a kick start, so you should use your foot to start up this engine. And one cylinder, one spark plug, air cooled, and very nice blue metallic color. So what is additional on this bike? These are these foot rests, or foot pegs to be more precise, and some other parts. May I just mention the plate here for the registration, and overall it is restored in detail. As you see, a very nice restoration, I have to say, and it is almost ready to be registered, as the owner just told me. So let's go and do some steps around this bike again, and then we will do a startup. So like I said, almost everything is stock, every single part is restored. I have to say that I really like this blue metallic color, and you know, like every Tomos, it has a specific and beautiful sound. Let's do it. And firstly, the cold startup. Você greu, né? Okay guys, this is all for now. I hope that you enjoyed. This is a very nice moped. I hope that you also like the color. And this is APN for Tomos, famous Tomos, and it always will be. Thanks for watching, and like always, like, share and subscribe. Till the next one.